Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I am here, a pastry scholar. I am going to present a topic, bioremediation. What is bioremediation? Bioremediation is the use of microbial species to clean up soil and groundwater that has been contaminated by discharged chemicals. Example includes junkyard, industrial spills, land development, fertilizer use, and more. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly and press the bell icon button for getting the notification of our next video. Types. There are three types of bioremediation: microbial bioremediation, phytoremediation, and mycoremediation. Microbial bioremediation. Microbial bioremediation is the use of microorganisms such as bioremediation bacteria to neutralize and remove the contaminants. Using the contaminants as a food source, the microbes break them down into harmless substances. Microcell enzymes, final waste, carbon dioxide and water, oxygen and other nutrients, food. Phytoremediation. Phytoremediation is the use of plant to bind, extract and remove contaminants such as hydrocarbons, pesticide and heavy metals. You can observe here phytoextraction, phytodegradation, rhizofiltration, rhizodegradation, phytostabilization process in tree or other plants. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our videos with your other friends, colleagues and researchers. Mycoremediation. Mycoremediation is the use of fungi to neutralize and remove contaminants. The digestive enzymes of fungi are strong enough to break down contaminants such as pesticides and hydrocarbons into harmless substances. You can observe here in diagram the structure of fungi. Different bioremediation techniques. Bioremediation techniques can be divided into two broad categories: ex situ bioremediation and in situ bioremediation. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our channel, like our videos, and if you have any question related to our topic, you can ask us in comment section. And if you want to share your point of view, you can also share with us in comment section. Ex situ bioremediation. Ex situ bioremediation describes a process where contaminated soil or water is removed from the environment by biological organism. Ex situ bioremediation can use bioreactors and added nutrients to speed up the breakdown of environmental pollutants. Ex situ just means out of place or off-site, removing something from its natural place. You can observe here ex situ process. In situ bioremediation. In situ really just means in place or on site, keeping something in its natural place. In situ bioremediation means that you allow bioremediation to take place while leaving the soil and water in its natural location. You can observe here the in situ process. Thanks to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.